I indeed had to sell a lot of signals just to live this year lifestyle. Oh yeah, I'm singing. Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to revisit Maps.Thosago for the results that he has been produced for mods, just to see if there was any progress that was made. Now, without any further ado, let's get straight to it. Right now, if you go through the Instagram, there's really not much to see here. He says he's a financial market trader, he's a YouTuber, and he's the founder of Forex. No investments. That's good. This post is very interesting. It says here he is going towards P tomorrow for NFP. No risk, no Ferrari or no Rari. And I guess this is why you do not have a Ferrari, right? Unfortunately, we took an L. And this is why you should stay away from trading high impact news. Because I indeed, the lifestyle. Yeah, let's go back to the 1st of March. So I've done these signals until the 24th of March, and you'll see why, because there's a lot of signals that were sent for the month of March. He generally do send a lot of signals, right? People may ask me about my group. I do not have a signal group, but I do have a forex news update group where I do say recommended courses for free. I do send EAs that can be used for certain services, and all of that comes for free. I will leave a link in the comment section below for you guys to go and check it out. Right now, let's go over to Maps.Thosago's signals. Now, on the 1st of March, right, there was a sell on the Dow Jones, and here you guys can see basically this is all the signals that we are going to cover. And within these signals, you will find that there was more signals sent as well. So I will try to be as quick as I can, but also not jumping over anything, right? Okay, you're probably wondering why I was so quiet. That was a minute of silence for all Andy's fans who was crying on that video yesterday. Now, let's continue. So this trade, this was the first execution on the US 30. This was a beautiful, firstly, a beautiful, showcase of what technical analysis looks like, right? You got the trend line over there, you got the touches, you got a break of support as resistance. He got in there and the market was able to move to the downside. The TP did not hit, however, I do still think that was a beautiful executed trade on there as well. There you can see any case, and then you can see I'm not next trade was a buy on Euro AUD. Please excuse me if I'm a little bit fast, but there's a lot of signals that we have to cover. Okay, so we're going to go back to Euro AUD. This signal was seen on the 1st of March at 10:11, and this is where, there we go. So this trade basically came in there, had some profit to pull back to entry, and then that stop loss hit, right? Here we go. How it looks like on the daily. Okay, USD shooting down in profits. That was just an update on the Euro AUD trade that we just spoken about there. Now there's that fall that we saw on the Dow Jones, the fall, and you don't hear anything about the Euro AUD because we know that trade did not go. And that is the easiest way to look at the information, right? If you don't see any update related to a trade that was sent, you must know exactly what had happened in there as well. Chopping hard, modify my stop losses. You can chop my money, I can chop my money, chop my money. Yeah, I don't care. Good morning, blue team. It's really a blue. Yeah, I would like to call myself the blue team. Any case, this would be a blue trade because we are the blue team. GBP AUD, March the 6th was a sell on GBP AUD. Let's go, blue team. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. Okay, so this stop loss was hit as well. Started to gain in some profits, and then the market moved to the upside. You can see the time and date. That is why I use these blue lights so that you guys can just look at them and see that the timestamps, they are in line with when the time and the date the signal was sent, just to make your life easier. Sell Euro GBP, and this is officially the time where we are going to give Maps.Thosago his first hat trick for the day. So there you can see trade moved against him, straight zero drawdown to the upside. And that was in on March the 6th. Again, you can see there March the 6th, 10:30, 10 to 19, basically within that candle. But that market just moved to the upside. That stop was hit, and that's 3 stop losses, 1 win. And that gives him a hat trick so far for the day. And then he says GBP took us out on SL. Market created deeper retest. It doesn't matter. A loss is a loss. You just need to write it off, right? You need to be like, so some of the people who just cannot believe that some of you guys is just not as good as you say you are. So people try to justify why we should believe that you are as good as you say you are. But they learn that from you. Yes, sir. Okay, this was a buy on the NASDAQ, which I'm gonna go to also. Let's go. That was in on March the 6th. And indeed, that to sell a lot of signals just to live this year lifestyle. Now, this is the funny part. Right, this was on March the 6th at 7, right? NAS is spiking in the blues, right? 12 minutes later. Now, this is what he is referring to. NAS is spiking in the blues, right? This is called spiking. Now, I've taken the price based off where it was sent there, right? I'm not making this up. By 12 minutes later, NAS is spiking in the blues. Now, this is a 1 minute time frame. Don't get it twisted. But this was spiking in the blues. Now, I'm not going to say that this was a bad trade because it pulled back and hit the stop loss, because then people in the comment section is going to say you need to use the dental floss, and now people coming for me and then say no, you're not. I'm not going to say that. You guys make the conclusion. You decide about what you think happened to that trade over there, right? Next trade was a sell on Euro JPY, which was a good execution, I would believe, if it is this one. Some of these trades I do remember, some I don't. Thursday the 7th of March, there we go, 8:37, beautiful melt to the downside, and that was a nice 3.6. Now, I'm not sure if that was the TP because there's no TP, as you guys can see, but I normally just throw these trades on the map on the charts just so to see if it sticks, it sticks. There was a sell on Euro JPY, good trade. A sell on GBP JPY due to the correlation also went into that direction as well, which I'm going to show to you guys for a further reference, right? So we're going to go back quickly and just go and assess that trade over there, guys. If I am talking too fast, it's basically because we have a lot of work to cover. There you can see nice move to the downside, and then the market printed an equal low, and then it retraced back to the upside. But I do believe that there was some updates there. It says both trades are melting nicely in the blue side. Funding a young 3-4K for NFP, trading with royalty. Now, I want you to think about all the trades, right? There were some losses and there were some wins. Losses and wins, right? And then they trade the NFP, and then the NFP was like... And then the markets were like, I'm taking all your hard work. I'm just going to take it back again. And I'm not sure if he was navigating towards the TP. And then the market was like, yes, we're not navigating this. We're not navigating this way. We're actually going the other way. Because you can see he's using his navigation. These guys are funny. Double spike, we caught the direction, but unfortunately on my side I went all in, lost hard. Double spike, no, just stop trading the news. This is an advice that you guys do not want to take. Why do you not just gamble the market news with your own money and not send it to people in the group? But here we go, very important. The road to success is to make sure that you don't trade the NFP. That is there to make sure that we are transparent, because we always tell people in the free group that we are only sending blue screens, but meanwhile we are also losing trades. I promise to be truthful and honest with the public to make sure that we provide them with all the information to make sure that they make better decisions. Wow, sorry guys, I was dreaming. I really thought Maps said that now. But in any case, there was a sell on USD ZAR that we are going to go and take a look at as well. Let's go over there. That was on March 11th, 10:42. That's exactly where we're going to go straight there. You can see he doesn't have much success with the USD ZAR basically. Apart from the first one, you can see a double whammy, but we're going to get to that, right? This trade was a beautiful trade. We had some in the money, then it was a pullback. I'm not sure if the trade was put at B, it would have stopped you out. Now, the reason why I do not recommend people with small accounts, when I mean small accounts, I'm talking about 1,000 Rand account to trade USD ZAR, because it's an exotic pair and the cost per pip is a lot more. Most of you probably don't know that, because you rely on information from people who just came out of school and said that they can trade. Any case, yeah, it gives the people a breakdown on the NAS, on the USD trade. As you guys can see there, we had 3 stutters on the trend line, and then I drew another trend line, but that trend line wasn't enough, so I drew another previous level of support over there. And just to give you guys more context, you know that the end of the Boys to Men song, although we've come, there we go. March 11th by the Nasdaq, NAS 100 stop loss hit. Not even going to go there. USDs are still playing around, but we are in profits. Yes, profit Bosiri. Sell USD CHF. March the 12th, which we are going to go and take a look at very quickly. I had to sell a lot of signals just to live this year lifestyle. Now, here we go, right? That trade just started here into some profit and then up to the downside, consolidated in a drawdown, and then it went to the upside. Now, I'm not sure what kind of success do you need to trade in order to buy a Golf 7, but this is clearly not what you need. What you do need is 2,703 people that's going to pay you an average of between 500 to 1,000 Rand and guarantee that are indeed just a lot to sell a lot of signals just to live this year lifestyle. USDs are deep in the blues. Thosago CPI signal. They value worry, but worry was man. No such the maximum. There is something about you guys that you do not want to listen. Is there something you? Let me just move on with the signals. People's gonna go in the comments again. Let's see you trade the news because it's gonna change my life. I looked up to Bandile, but deal is my good. I feel so sorry for some of you for the future. You know, like for the future. If your eyes are not open by now, then there's really nothing we can do for you other than I say a little prayer for you. March the 13th. Sorry, I'm confused now. In any case, this is where we are now. Use the cat March the 13th. Another beautifully executed trade went to the downside. We had that sideways movement, and this is the one I just spoke about now. Sorry about that, guys. So I believe this trade was closed. I would assume it was closed, right? Moving in the deep in the blues. Buy Euro USD. Euro USD. Buy Euro USD. This signal was sent on March the 13th. Let's go there very quickly. Boom, boom, bam, 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 bam. Here we go, right? So this trade, I basically just moved it till there. This trade was placed at BE, as you can see over there. Market pullback, stopped out at break even. There you can see again. I would assume people. There we go. Modify your stop loss above the entry point. Close when satisfied, and I would probably assume some people probably closed the trade here. We don't know, right? But I would still say it was a good executed trade, right? Any case, buy USD JPY on March the 14th. No, I could really see him, and indeed had to sell a lot of signals just to live this year lifestyle. And then Bandile at the background. Oh yeah. Any case, March the 14th, which was this one over here, we had some profit, Bosiri, and then a dump to the downside. This is what you call the dinosaur strategy. Here we go. Buy GBP cat. Here we go. Buy and Maps used to trade with a TP in the beginning, and then it was like no, we can't do TPs anymore. Here we go. GBP cat also moved to the downside. That stop loss was hit, right? Someone asked me, can't you just count the stop losses and all of that stuff? I can't. I can't. It's gonna take 2 months time to still add that. So you watching the video, right? I've done all the work. You can sit there with a calculator and go 1 + 1. Okay, another win, and you can take what you count as a win, right? I don't count most of these trades as wins, but again, it's like I always say, it's each to their own. We all have different ways of the way we trade and what we agree with. Yes, some professional traders in the comment section, and you can see by the comments and what they say, and then you get some people in the comments that probably also makes a living of selling signals because they go like, but you must understand, you can't always win. Well, you can't always lose also. So I mean, I don't know what you think. Stop selling this cuck. If you can't trade, don't sell it. That's it. Hou op, gaan soek werk. You know, Shoprite and Pick and Pay is looking for people, not Trading View or MT4. Go look for work if you can't trade. If you can't trade, just find a job. It's easier. You don't have to stress. Your boss is not going to come there. Hey, boss, you didn't eat TP today. It's like, yeah, boss, but I carried 2 boxes of milk. Yeah, it's good. Thanks. March the 14th, sell on USDs are. Here we go. This was that sell beautifully to the downside, then again to the upside. GBP Cat is in profits as well. Patiently holding this one. Today, blues. No. That is not what happened, and we both know it. You put in our previous business. I don't know how you can even. Let's chop up. Please take the time to watch the lesson. If you went in, consider applying my advice in account management. You should not be giving out account management, my friend. Leave that. Sell Euro USD. That is what we want to see. We'll sell Euro USD. I think it was this one, right? March the 19th, which is this one. A beautiful trade. Yara, you see. I give their credit where their credit is due. Yeah, Coca, but now you're going to get someone who's just watched the beginning of the video. Say, hey, this guy likes to make fun. Eh? No, I make fun and I give credit also. If you're so a good trader, I don't understand why was he still selling signals. In any case, buy USD ZAR. There we go. Here is that one. That was a beautiful trade. Then there was a buy on the USD ZAR, which I'm just gonna cover very quickly. On the 19th, that trade didn't go good. That stop loss was triggered first time. We can see people are crying. I would have cried just to fucking delete this group one time. There we go. RSUG market is celebrating 70k Instagram traders. Although we can't always pay out our people, what we are going to give away is a PlayStation 5 to one of the people. And then the 20k in cash iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay, all you need to do is just to sign up so we can, in any case, buy GBB Cat. This is all jokes, guys. ZBP Cat said, it's just another day for you and me. 1946. There you can just take that. I indeed had to sell a lot of signals just to live this year lifestyle. Thosago FMC way. Young signal late operate OFMC by US 30 by the NASDAQ by gold. Buy GU, buy EU, sell USD ZAR, sell USD CHF, chopping. And you know what's funny, right? Apart from these results not looking as good as one would anticipate it for someone who's living a lifestyle like this, you will still find people that just, I don't think it's bad. I think it's actually very good. I don't think some motivation to all you guys. No. This is my motivation this year. I want to get so many people in a signal group, So many. If I can get so many people in the signal group, bro, I'll be chopping NFP also. Chopping my own NFP. Euro USD, 22nd of March. Let's go. Here we go. Right. So it seems to be getting some good returns with Euro USD. We had that move down, then went up to BE and then down. Excuse me. I hope that this trade was closed at least because sell Geo. Now because of the correlation, Geo also went perfectly. Now this was not the TP. I just moved it there because there was no TP. And that is where I basically have marked it to. As you guys can see, it's a lot of work. There was a sell on AU. On gold. Sorry, my bad. Then recommended size GU in deep blues, EU in profits, which is the two that we spoke about. But like you said, EU is coming up. And then there was another one. Good morning, my team. It's your team, bro. Recommended lot sizes. It's not recommended lot sizes. Sell the NASDAQ. Currently melting down in the blues. Close deep blues. Yeah, you can see is the signal. Just for people's gonna say, well, why did you not plot it towards the end? Because you guys don't understand the reason why I do not want to drag out these videos. There you can see the signal. For those of you that like to redo the stuff, there you can see there was a bound goal also. If we get an update, that means it went good. There we go. This was a good trade as well. If you don't see the updates, then you must know there. Then you must know that things didn't go too well on that trade. Sell USDs you can obviously see had no success with this one. Good morning, blue team. And that was basically it for mods, right? Any case, guys, you let me know your thoughts in the comment section below about this trade, right? And you let me know what you think. You let me know what you feel about this. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for your time. And as always, cheers for ears.